VT Knowledgeworks hosts the Global Challenge each summer, which attracts business-minded college students from all around the world. It recently announced that Plastics One will sponsor 2 of the 2015 VT Knowledgeworks Advanced Manufacturing Awards, totaling $25,000. With more, we're joined this morning by Jim Flowers and Lydia Brentingham-Payne. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Good morning, Bob.
All right, so Jim, let's talk about the Global Student Challenge first. For folks who aren't familiar, it's every summer, in August?
Right.
And we're happy to be a part of it, Fox 2127. But it's very exciting.
It is. We get students from 13, 14, 15 countries around the world all come to town for a week, spend time with each other, with local companies, and then compete for the prizes, which this year have been enhanced by the generous sponsorship of Plastics One. And it's great fun. So in fact, this sponsorship has allowed us to divide into 2 tracks now, a manufactured product track and an information technology track. So we don't have the apps competing with the hard stuff.
Do you think that'll attract more students to take part?
Well, you know, I think so. I believe so. And the other thing is that it allows us to sort of highlight both ways of going at this entrepreneurship thing. There's a lot of buzz about things that are on the web now, but people like Plastics One create stuff that we all use or all depend on every day. Yes, it's real tangible product.
And Lydia, for folks who aren't familiar with Plastics One, tell us about it.
Sure, we are a high-tech medical component manufacturer. We're located in Southwest County.
And why was it important for Plastics One to be a part of the Global Student Challenge?
Well, we supply a worldwide market, and these students are competing from all over the world, so we just wanted to be in front of them from the beginning before they go out and start their careers and let them know that we can bring their ideas and products to life.
Yeah, and $25,000, Jim,
Yeah.
That's a really big number.
That's real money. That's real money. So this year, each of the two track winners will get.
What, one gets 15 and one gets 10,
Right.
And then the grand prize winner of the 2 gets an extra 5.
Wow.
So the winning team that gets to the top can go home with $20,000.
And when we're talking about actually manufacturing a product, it takes that type of capital, as opposed to a web-based application where if you have the software, you can kind of build it.
Well, and we don't expect that these people are going to take that small amount of money really and go use that alone to start a company. But it causes them to come to interact with each other and get better at their own craft, because they get to meet our local companies, including companies like Plastics One, get mentored by them. They make friends in all the other countries, which means they've got network building at a young age and not waiting until they're as old as you and I to build their networks out. And for Plastics One, as Lydia said, they get exposed to these kids. 20 years, they're going to be running those countries. And they'll all know about Blacksburg and Roanoke and Plastics One.
Right.
This is very exciting stuff, and the website, vtknowledgeworks.com, has all the information, because in April, we have our local competition.
Right, at Virginia Tech for the student team to represent our region in that contest.
And then they move on to the Global Student Challenge in August, and that is just huge for folks. If you have not seen this before, Tara and I have been a part of it the last few years. It's truly college students from literally around the world, just about every continent.
Every continent except Antarctica.
Exactly, has been represented, and their ideas are amazing. It really is fantastic, and we're so happy that Plastics One has decided to jump on board and be a big sponsor of this. Thank you both for coming in.
Thanks so much.